with openEuler? What's project work with openEuler, and what's the future of the project collaboration between openEuler and Linaro?
openEuler has a very important existence in the open source community in China and in the overseas market at this moment. So as an engineer from Linaro, so we have been involved in the openEuler related projects for a long time. So me and my team is working in the big data area. So since the early days, we not short after we enabled 𝙤𝒏 on ARM platform, on ARM ecosystem, then we started to get in touch with openEuler. So the team has worked so hard in the past 2 years. So now we achieved in 𝙤𝒏 3.3, openEuler was announced as an official supported distribution. So in the same line with other distributions like CentOS, Ubuntu. Yeah. So that's a really big achievement. We have seen a lot of customers, third-party industry partners come to join our openEuler Big Data SIG to discuss with us about the using our distribution, 𝙤𝒏 big data distribution on their platform. Yeah. By the way, 𝙤𝒏 is an Apache project. Yeah.
I'm also work from Linaro, and I join openEuler, the software design storage sake. My team work for the Lustre support on openEuler. We have already offered the Lustre RPM to support different users to deploy the high performance file system on the HPC area and based on openEuler operating system. So besides, we've previously done some work on openEuler in cloud infra side. We have introduced we have collaborated with the OpenStack SIG and SDS SIG to enable the Ceph and OpenStack upstream support for openEuler. Yeah. So now I'm working also with the confidential computing SIG. ARM has released the confidential computing architecture from ARM v9, and we also want to collaborate with openEuler community to introduce this software stack to openEuler. Yeah.
What about AI? Does Linaro has any plan to work with openEuler to do some work about the AI? Because openEuler has several SIGs which is related with AI, right? And also we have some session to discuss this. What about Linaro?
Yeah, that's a very hot topic for talking about AI. So what I know is ARM as an ecosystem, we have the ambition to do something more in the AI area. So ARM announced their 𝙤𝒐𝒐 AI as a low-level framework. Also, ARM is heavily involved in the 𝙤𝒏 Foundation, so to provide the accelerated heterogeneous architecture support. So Linaro, we have the capability to optimize using the ARM advanced vector instructions, so like SVE, SME extensions to optimize the specific libraries. So these libraries as of now can be used to accelerate large language model or CNN networks on ARM CPU cores. So with the multiple core architecture from ARM, so we have an advantage in AI inference, at least for now. Yeah, that's the area we can seek more involvement from Linaro.
Yeah, so I do have a small supplement, but especially with the confidential AI solution. So from the we know that with the development of the LLM, it has been largely used now in different areas, and the language model security and the training data security is very important. And from this point, ARM has promoted its 𝙬𝒐𝒂𝙡𝒖𝙚, the confidential computing architecture. So we also want to offer the end-to-end solutions for confidential AI together with openEuler.
Okay, let's back to the traditional area like embedded and edge. I know ARM is strong at this area. Does Linaro has any future plan for the embedded and the edge?
Linaro, from the beginning, we have very strong engineering and maintenance capability in the firmware, in the Linux kernel part. Also, Linaro open source and have maintained the Zephyr projects. All these can be used, are very important for the embedded world. Yeah. So we, from the product level, Linaro have a 𝙤𝒂𝒏 product. As a product, it can integrate the various embedded boards and then do some verifications to make sure these boards chipsets get certified by some security related or system ready related or open source operating system distribution like Ubuntu, openEuler certified. So it can 𝙤𝒂𝒏 as a product of Linaro, it can help companies to achieve that goal.
So just a supplement here is, so Linaro also maintains the Linux kernel functional test and LKQ test, which was support different development board, and a lot of the board are the IoT embedded rear. So we have guaranteed the Linux kernel qualities with the upstream.
We're very happy to talk with Linaro guys, and hope you too enjoy the SIG gathering. Okay.